Okay, so the man shed again here. Got a few goodies to tear apart. It's kind of late, it's going on 11 o'clock at night, but I was kind of tired when I came home from work, so I decided to have a nap. And of course, now I'm not tired, but so decided, well, I think I'll go out in the shed and tear some junk apart. But actually another reason to do it was I thought now's the time to have one of these beers that Ian Matthews sent me. So I'm going to try this one. It's Old Speckled Hen, crafted fine ale, 5%, so it's not too bad. And I did another video there. It's the Speckled Hen takes its name from some old card the brewer had at the brewery. Norland Brewing, Westgate Street, Bury St. Edmunds, Suffolk, England. So I'm always up for a good ale. Nice and cold too. Oh yeah, look at that nice copper color. Just the right amount of head too. Oh, that's lovely. Very nice taste. All the way from jolly old England. So thanks again, Ian. Super. So I'm just going to put that there. And top off the glass, of course. So I got a few tidbits here. So I thought one thing I'll do, this is a VFD, variable frequency drive. So for those of you who don't know, this is used to control the speed of a three-phase AC motor by altering the frequency applied to the motor. Changes the speed. Low frequency, low speed; high frequency, high speed. So these have been around for a while. They're every while they keep perfecting them, and they get more compact. And also they're very handy too for phase conversion. If you've got a three-phase piece of machinery, you only have single phase. You actually put single phase into these things and take three-phase off to run your three-phase motor. Actually, the mill I have sitting behind the camera, it's actually a three-phase mill, and it uses a VFD for phase conversion. You've got to upsize the VFD a bit for that. It's not quite horsepower to horsepower. You've got to oversize the VFD a bit, but it actually works pretty darn good. So this VFD came out of a little cheese plant, and it had failed. I think this is about, it's been in there for a while. Actually, we installed it originally. It was before my time down there, but I think it's about 10, it's safe to say it's about 10 years old. So anyways, it's got a nice heavy pot metal housing on it. And it's got a bit of wire and circuitry inside. I'm just going to pop the circuit board out. I'll save that for Canadian Treasure Hunter when I run across them next time. The instructions are still in here. This is one thing our guys don't always look at, is the instructions. Yeah. So like I say, there's a little bit of motor, or a little bit of wire in here, so I'll just start maybe with that. Actually, this pot is still good. So it's actually a nice potentiometer. This is what the actual speed control. So I think that's still good. I just have to figure out how to get the knob off. Just like that. Never had the right size Allen wrench. Back with more Allen wrenches. I'm gonna have to make a little rack here for these guys. I've got this standard set and metric set. So actually, yeah, I think I'll make a little holder right across there for those guys. Tasty. That's good scrapping beer. Okay, I think I'm just going to leave the wires on that guy. Just put the nut back on it. And the knob. Save this somewhere for future use. Actually, switches are not bad. Switch not bad either. See, a waterproof toggle. So might just save that guy too. You just never know. Or is it not? Appears to be the knot. Oh, maybe. Oh, there we go. There we go. Good little toggle switch. This is the basis of all hoards, keeping things that might come in handy someday. And of course that one has to be a different size. There it is. Yeah, definitely gonna have to make a rack for these Allens over here. Little tool kit. An oddball size. Not very big. It's also not very tight. Yeah, that one isn't either. Yeah, those are just little blank offs for options that didn't exist. Just throw those in there, you never know. Let's see, close this back up before I knock it down on the floor. Okay, so take that cover off, just need a little drift. Drift, if you get my drift. Oh. Just gotta find a hammer. Here's a hammer. I don't know if I showed this or not. I was at a garage sale a few weeks ago. I haven't gone lately, just haven't felt like it, but guy had a few things and he gave me he had a, whatever he had on him. I was looking at him and he said, you know what, just take them. So, free, that's the right price. Okay, so there's the first part. I don't know, pound or so. Put that in my die cast tote. Ooh. A little bit of junk wire. There's a little bit of stuff on this board. Not really up on what's good and what's not, but these cap screws because you know why, they might come in handy. I don't know what this is. Yeah, metal anyways. And another little chunk of metal. A little bit of copper scrappage. Just save all the tidbits, right? Okay, so I think that board will come out of there now. Tidbit of wire. Oh, this almost looks like gold plate on here. I'm not sure. I'll save that with the circuit board. Cut the tidbits off. Interesting. Okay. It should almost pop out now, I think. Unless I'm missing one, which I probably am. Or two. Yeah, so what is that holding that guy in there? Might be just glued in. Yep. One side came out. Ooh. Something going on there. some kind of conductive gel. So, like I say, I have no idea if that board is decent or not, but I'll save it. Okay, so yeah, so I'm getting that white gunk spreading everywhere now. There's another glass. Or another sip, I mean. Yes. It's a bunch of capacitors. Yeah, this thing wasn't working obviously, so I'm not sure what's wrong with it. It could be the caps or something, so I think we're just going to chuck those. Yeah, okay, let's clean up a bit of this garbage here quickly. More of that white goop. Okay, so actually that guy is pretty much cleaned up. Might come in handy. So yeah, so that's pretty well it. Everything else is off of it. More white goop. So yeah, that's the pot metal. Actually, that's pretty heavy. That's 5-6 pounds right there. So you know, $2 or $3. So that goes in the die-cast bin. That's just starting to fill up nicely. Those guys in there for now. Okay, I think that's all I'm going to do for tonight. So I've got these lights to do. Same thing, it's more die cast. I think I showed them in that other video I did on Sunday. These are probably a good 10 pounds each. And then I also showed this remnants of a switchblade from heavy duty switch. I'll take that apart. There's some pretty good copper in there. And actually I have some other little tidbits here too. These are some ballast. Actually might just take one of these apart quick like. Actually, my box full of ballasts is starting to get starting to build up too. So, okay, South Phillips one. There we go. Oops. Bent somehow. Thought it was in there crooked, but a little bit of copper wire. I wonder if that's aluminum. Yes, it is. This is aluminum too. A bit more copper for the copper bin. And a little bit of aluminum. And another ballast. Yeah, not quite a pound. See other goodies I got. So some other defunct light fixture. I thought this was stainless, but it's not. Even the wire is not stainless. So there's a couple of ballasts in them and a little bit of low grade wire. Got this marine light. Yeah, so that's pot metal. Where is it? Yep. Thought for a minute it might be plastic there, but it's not. So again, there's some brass contacts and stuff in there, so I'm not going to bother smashing it apart and making a bigger mess. But may come to that someday when I have more time. Lovely. See, that nut, you never know when I might need a nut just that size. Actually, this hardware is becoming incredibly expensive. Used to be able to go to the hardware store and just buy loose hardware, but every place now has pretty well gone to those blister packs. So if you need one of these, you got to buy 10 of them, and you pay just the inflated price for them. Whoever thought up those blister packs, that was a brilliant marketing idea, because it forces you, like say you need one, but you got to buy 10, and you buy them at a highly inflated price. So just never know when that hardware might come in handy. Die cast. That's kind of cool. Yeah, so this was an old incandescent style light, so nobody uses those anymore. Everything is LED, or soon to be all LED. Junk. Just keep that little threaded part. A little bit of copper. And a bit more pot metal. Okay, I gotta take one more of these apart. I love taking things apart, so. So I just went back, checked the camera, and then of course the little thing on it says, oh, movie was stopped. No, movie recording stopped automatically. How handy. So anyways, I'll have to pull off and see where it stopped and edit part of it out, I guess. I gotta try and figure out, that's my Canon Rebel SLR. That's happened to me before, so I gotta figure out how to stop that very handy feature of it automatically deciding when the video should stop. So anyways, that's all from the shed for now. Cheers, and we'll talk to you later.